Okay, you've probably heard us talking about the fact that these Range Rovers and Land Rovers, as they get a little bit older, will cost you up to 10 grand a year. And everybody goes, no, you don't know what you're talking about. Let me talk you through this one and what's going on here. This came in for initially oil leaks where other workshops had told her that it needed a motor, and then the air conditioning compressor failed. To do the air conditioning compressor, it's all the way down in there. So we lifted the body off. It's also getting the air suspension compressor while we're here, but it's got nothing to do with the body coming off for that. While we were here, we worked out what was going on with the oil leaks was these valve covers. This is a 3.6 V8. And while we're here, we're basically changing anything that can and is leaking in the valley of the V8. So you can see here, this red staining is the coolant. This whole housing here is the thermostat housing. Behind it sits the oil cooler, your valve covers, and you can actually see, if you look down here, the evidence of the oil leak all across the exhaust sitting on top of the engine mount there. So if you come over to our parts bench, apart from the aircon compressor that's already fitted, here's everything that's going in this. Thermostat housing, water outlet, I don't even know what that is, radiator hose of some sort, whole bunch of coolant hoses and oil cooler. Very good.